Wonipa baako owo omaiga mimu a obebloyi alarm edi efa the influx of LGBTI community ewo omaiga mimu ase ene Mr. Moses Fo Amweni outside lawyer ni nebusafo wono na wode ensem no betu that say on the 31st of January 2021 fundraising be also wakra and no LGBTI community no and a roasty and no inviting 24 drop ambassadors any nkofo in 24 high profile personalities are one episode medena sia one more emed medenu etri ACP cause for my no this and some to dano and as and komobono esha se eman wumi so e wo mama to se ko hu se no kwasem se sa de ne sia mate so ma lanche bie office kra amama mene wo ka say office kra wo mu ebia no a police fo di ekire akotumu ewo eye kwabenya monte so mate se won sem kra de nke ye ti akodan ne sana Mr. Moses Fo Amweni wasaba biem abekasa edi afa ensano se sabre 24 say edua efifia bewo weni no sha asie se efifi na no untwitwa so utu asekra na tese enya fapimbi ansa nyina so efifi ansa etese bewo ni enna so amowo weni ntina tese se wo mu se abaye tuwana mo SVP se sa de no camera enimra mu se LGBT about community board office for mine anaso metu operate e wo mine mu dia ene si aka mo tesenti asa ye djuma na se Ghana for so already na ya establishing ye dislike say ye pesa de no e wo yentem dia ene ye ntu ase kra ni etu ase so dia na sa community no LGBT for no e kro bi o mebo ra so bia no wo ko cheda pomodia edua bibi e wo kro no so Uwe wombe na tete mashase wombo sumase no mu diduma no mu kroti awareness e won sumase nti se nya be to abontin wo bi ti wo kakra na fede wo mu so asa be shase bi no mo spreading komo no na fede komo no ekoso na ko foto komo weti o no de na brabo e no person won ni se bi amunya na tete kakra amanfo gitu manya amanfo nya wo awareness na mafunya wonti asena komo no tra na eko eti enche bia na to acceptance adotom because yatia abreniti se yatia be ni ya we se wo kwade ni enya ma ne wo we na kete se omunya acceptance no ma shase na to se do mo pe no legalizations ahodo ekeka won no to master ten mo pushi for ni nya eno na ma hodo so nya o ma dia tum no sa eno mo e shase a wo mo e ye won nti no e wo be nya pa se wono Mr. Moses Fo Amweni awonu de sa de ni chiri kokokokoko be so be nkra se ni man ofin mo man Ghana yes beji esa de no abiatu no nti anam so ama ono so article collation bi a wo mesha se etumu anama LGBT anamotu o de ba o man na so ma agenda wo de ra o man mu no wo betu ase kaka na menya fapem e wo man mu nti wo mo de prayer sessions bi e be kokoso na ebo mu agati se wo peni bi e wo mampeni akachi a wo no susu se wo ye gay a wo su pia wo mampeni akachi se wo peni e mo wo so wo mo bota ye da wo ni susu metu ase no e be ko so sa a so nti no wo nsem mu e wo mampeni akachi a ate de wo mo pa ye kra wo mo e kwankra e bia bo e wo ye Glass Star Square eni ebiem tu no officer LGBT for nde bi wo manga ni mu asa osi ade ya tumu na to so ko ade bia o madue wo no makotu ase wo obi sa pedi no e pekwa se wo mwa e ma sa ade no embuniti we do de tuja ama ma pedi nya no tese se wo ma kwa na empaye no wo mo embo because Ghana for ye wo gidie ye kragidie mu ya na se mu ya get to say ye Christian country na no ti no bibia no ye tu gidie anamo e wo no ti ye ma kwa na sa de no emra so ne so ye gbotie se na ye lawyer Moses Fo Amweni odeni nsem no etudanye ba echense bia masai e dia pata ho de kan ho de mamu.
As I've told you, Sodom and Gomorrah, it happened. And onyankopon e pam mfi ho na sa sunsum ye tai LGBTQ e sunsum e sunsum fi e sunsum e tai ma menchire mu stamwa angels ne course omo kwa ko yi lot every one so obeka ya omo ka se omo mfa angels ne mbra no omo na na angels kura na sa sunsum in fact lot ka chem so oh me won ma wa ha o se dabi by force omo ko chi wom and the angels no e blind wom and no chire with the type of spirit LGBT spirit no etie
omoni so aden.
Thank you. And nothing sometimes when I speak forcefully me shut up and me yesa. It sounds that is the only language they can understand. Because almost strategy, you know, it is fourfold. They will shock you. And no more be officer. That's the first stage, shocker. 2, then they go to the next stage. You begin to discuss. They said, then the third stage is conversation. And also, kasa more dokakra. Then it comes to tolerance. Oh, okay. Good. Then it goes to acceptance. That is the 5-stage strategy almost go through for social reform. And see, so when who no one tears I mean, I want to 6 better than 9. And it's a whole process. We in the coalition, you assume you will moon dear, and now we see near the sea, because we know where they are coming from. We can predict what they are going to do because we know them. But the good news for Ghanaians is that we can hear Bompaye. We call it 64th Independence Anniversary Prayer Festival. Yes, I say Royal House Chapel. Every Friday, every 6 o'clock. Apostle General and Ebedi and Mnia Bompire mining in a COVID year and Sebebon and then this LGBT issue. Saturday, you bay hold vigil and a prayer chain. It will be a mobile officer. As I say, I almost did. Oh, yes, a showman. You be Bompire throughout the night. No, don't buy your Mudia my moon. You're permanent from my moon. Oh, okay. At the Chiano Pa, you bear Thanksgiving service. Catholic for the Bedi. 6 okosia da no ena yumre no nanke ye be prayer rally kese e wo Independence Square ye chiro ko chief of staff. Unfortunately almost say COVID. Me ntum say COVID because we're going to observe all the protocols. Yeah, we are petitioning the president. Ye gidi say president ti asemwa obema ye kwan me nipa be say 500. Exactly. Thank you. In fact, my dear, COVID 2019 na COVID ni and 2019 ye choro ko mama ye kwan nipa ko ye sa no. In action. Well, me say nipa ko she president so ye onim ni din at the right time. The Dean Beba, President, the on home, I met me assign a president and a chief of staff. Yidi say, Obia won a Juma. But we have, as I said, we have petitioned the presidency. Yidi say, President Mika say, they will give us the time. In fact, it
was your for no and that way on one as actually no answer. Now to say, not when you see what in some matters walking, you say. LGBT community no womu enamate so ma strategically no ma create agenda won get to form a wo hwe ene Ghana be bia bedu wo mon ser kan mu kwa bot mu se se na ye Mr. Moses Fo Amoni kan sa be ene ekoso wo mo hafie se suma se wo mo ye o mo be social media pages no mo send messages across ye meeting ye say anche ene suma se dwadie one boy fundraising and anche bi na sabe no le komodie aba bonte ene ebisi ebedi atum celebrity awu bi aba bonte ena mu ye hypocrite Ghana for mu pe ni bie mu de mu nya educated na de say amafo edina so kan sem dia cho man na nti no say agenda na wo mu strategize no na at work say nti na say sa na tie de na say strategy no and wo mu follow de na say enche yeah, that's a pre. Yeah, mom said the Jatumia, and I said Mr. Moses Fo Amoni. Nils Kikamuno, or find someone who will sit na yet, and therefore say I didn't and come that I will my move. Say and Kaya member or my so no super sit na yet, and ya will tell nothing and your man quite and matters empire and who is ever quite. One more emphasis soon. I come out and some I fish because say I did a young on it. And a young mush yempa. I didn't know the scene. What did a year as a visitor to a penphone no one now, my emanine to one more, not to say, and some a blue pa, but in Yamuno. And a year nipana so say a bedroom, say a bedia tomb, say a need to mono, and a year nipano as solidity the extra way, a woman yasa nipa, never any other was here pair. Near Mount Quiet, best near sorry 10 worker. Send a Mr. Moses Fo Amoni as I say a world company against me. Yeah, that one on national say, not to say it me a piano, no one fits me. I set the agenda in motion, send a day with me soon. Yes, I dear. Yet the 2 of us or no one year to bet my BN so near she hand ya, and the channel go a giano, and ya any every free other way immunity. It was a for and some. The apple drew and a media say, what do you try if I want to bomb the end of Fasunian? I want too much a comment session. Maybe you to share video on other social media platforms. Follow Too Much GH on Instagram, Twitter, so at Too Much GH _ Facebook, Too Much GH. Nana Mawuswa and Dinamia Dama, Ebede Shabi Makrobia.